Today we are painting a poppy. Let's start with the flower stems. First, mix a little bit of the whole bottom row of your palette, except for the white, using each green and touches of yellow and brown. This will make a nice natural green. Now let's fill in the stems of the flower. Each time you dip your brush, you're going to get a slightly different shade of green because you've mixed multiple colors. This variation is a really good thing. Don't forget to relax, and it's okay if you don't stay in the lines. When painting leaves, I suggest using the same color green as you did on the stems, just painting part of the leaf. While the leaf is still wet, play with adding in touches of brown or dark green to give a nice variation. It's fun to watch the colors blend here. Now rinse your brush, wet your palette, and start mixing your poppy color. Remember to use more than one color. I'm going to use orange, red, and yellow, and always a little dab of brown. Here you can watch how I apply pressure to fan out my brush on the poppy to make such a nice shape. I like to jump around on the page and let parts of the flower dry before painting the nearby petals. See how many different shapes of orange you can make to fill in your flower. The more the merrier. Lastly, mix some brown into your orange to paint the center of each flower. You may want to wait till your flowers dry, or you can go ahead and paint the brown while your poppy's wet and watch the color bleed together.